The IT and Fancy Cat Show.
Yeah, seriousness vibes done. This is about laughter and fun. No malice or meanness, just joke we run. Notice, put down no offenses intended. Light-heart and open mind highly recommended. Hashtag laughing time.
Everything check? You have everything
Oh yeah. I know that you've been waiting for me, I'm waiting too. In my imagination, said me, I love you. I love you, me say me, I love you.
When come from?
No, sorry, man, them same come from.
You man sound too bad still, no?
Can go on just a little bit of still.
Yeah, you work with him. Alright, no, what's up, man?
So the gal them over there, so you too, them around them out at about how man done by you. And your body pop down.
Yeah, man. Him not sound too bad, man. Yeah, man. Alright.
And
Alright, me artist. Yeah, man, I like that one there. I like it. Link me next year. Alright.
What the artists them, the big artists them?
The great Mr. George Mooks. Mr. George Rabbix. Nice seeing man. So we're ready for the biggest, baddest combination ever. Ready? Alright. Don't this man. Come boy, I got shot. Girl, right around here, you know?
On the stair. You ready?
You have everything checked?
Yeah, man.
Mic
Hold
check
on.
everything?
Make
Yeah, make sure.
We're not right around here.
Yes.
Bam.
The biggest combination this world ever seen, a boss man. And me deal with it, you know. Alright? Yeah, man.
Just remember, standing by.
How it sound?
Yeah, man.
You see?
Man, a little better, man. A big man. Then
Big artist them, yeah.
You have trouble.
But hold on part of the song, sir.
Just remember.
Hold on 1 second. Hold on. Mr. Jack Rabbit, come here 1 second, man. I need to talk to you. 1 second.
I wash up, man.
Mr. Rabbit, let me explain something to you. More you deal with the thing proper, you know, just calm down a little bit. Remember, you know, you are the man, you know, you me invest him. George never after there, you know. You me deal with, you know, you are the boss, you know.
Okay,
go on, go shut it out. Just listen to the track and tell me what you think. Listen it, a song come back. Listen, man, listen.
Let me, man.
Yes, Mr.
Yes,
George.
listen.
I like how you deal with it and things. You alright? Everything good?
I just chat, you know.
No, man, you are the man. You are the one with me pay. You understand me? You are the artist for this. Don't pay that no mind. He never had for there, you know. You are the man. See? So let's deal with it. I shout me. Mr. Rabbit!
Get started, man.
Come, Mr. Engineer, look at this service. Man, I try to mash up my life, man.
When you have trouble. Just remember that God is standing by.
Mr. Rabbit. Hold on again, man. Hold on 1 second, man. Hold on, Mr. Rabbit. Mr. Mooks.
Boss, man.
What the problem around here now?
Don't leave it.
No, man, you can't leave it, man. Just calm down, man. Just take it calm, man. Just do it thing, but do it calm and thing. You understand me? Alright,
No,
let's go.
I'm sorry, man.
Apologies.
Just pull back, man. Jack, with all due respect, it's me, the producer, say, for this tune, you don't really need for there, you know.
Remember you said I was the man for this.
No, man. Just deal with it. Just on a better level. And we'll go again, right? Alright, ready? Okay, Yeah, man, I understand. Cool? Alright, cool.
Yeah, man. I mean, Dennis Brown.
Listen, I got it, man.
Too much, man. Let's pull back. Yeah.
Hurry up, your brother. Them brother, I waste my time, man. Hurry up, man. We just done this thing and deal with it and done. Can't bother, man.
Just pull back, man. Too much. When you have trouble, don't cry. No way. Just remember that God is standing by.
What?
You
So
have
what?
trouble. Don't cry. No way. Just remember. Stop. Boss man.
What going on here, sir? What man? Give me this, man.
Let's do this.
Do what? Do what, man? You mash up my program, man.
Man, we can do this.
Do you mash up my thing, sir? Go on, king. Go on, man. Oh, just run a track here, man.
Alright, thanks for watching. This is IT.
And that's the total fancy cat.
You want to see more? Where you go?
No, do that because I realize I'm gonna watch the video, but not see no much comment.
Yes.
So they need to comment,
Yes.
and share some more.
And subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe.
Yeah. You see
Alright,
me?
thanks for watching IT.
Fancy cat.